Pip Collector Forex system was a great success over the past 12 months. I received a lot of positive feedback from clients all over the world, and I have been continuously working on improving the Pip Collector system to increase its accuracy and functionality. As a result of my efforts, I am presenting the Pip Collector version 2, a major upgrade that comes with significant amount of improvements and new features. Okay, let's see what's new in version 2 in detail. Trading signals. In the older version, you have to manually verify the system rules one by one before enter trade. But in version 2, all these system rules have been combined into one signal. This means you don't need to manually verify the system rules anymore, because the system will now automatically do that for you and only produce the final signal after the verification. This is a major update as it helps you to take trades based on a single alert, cutting all the manual work and saving a lot of time. So as you can see on the chart, when the trend line color is green, the system will produce only buy signals, and when the trend line color is orange, the system will produce only sell signals. Let's move on to the next change. Trading alerts. So with the benefit of having one signal, you can now trade with the Pip Collector system from your mobile phone or tablet very easily. You don't need to be in front of a computer all the time waiting for a signal to open a trade. Since the Pip Collector comes with desktop, email and mobile notifications, you can set up the MetaTrader email alerts and mobile push notifications and start trading right away from the mobile or tablet with the email alerts or mobile push notifications. Stop loss and take profit. In version 2, so with every signal, now the system will automatically give you the stop loss and take profit. The stop loss and take profit values are calculated based on ATR, which is average true range, and Fibonacci sequence formula methodology. This is a very accurate and recommended method used by most trading experts. Therefore, you don't need to worry anymore about manually placing stop loss and take profit, as the system will calculate it for you now. The stop loss and take profit numbers will appear on the desktop, email and mobile notifications, which you can quickly use to open trades. Signal indicator. In version 2, both arrows and the trendline indicators have been combined into one indicator, which is now called as the signal indicator. Also, if you want to remove the trendline from the chart, now there is an option in the indicator settings to turn it off. Some clients ask me whether it is possible to change the default colors in the indicators. The answer is yes, you can. If you want to change the colors of the indicators, you just need to go to the indicator settings, go to the colors tab and then select the color you prefer and save. Functionality. The entire system code has been rewritten from the beginning to improve the speed of signals and accuracy. This is a very important factor because you will receive alerts on time, so you can open trades without any delays. Also, I have added a double EMA filter to the signal indicator. With this new filter, the accuracy of the signals have been improved a lot, and especially it helps to avoid trading in sideways markets. If you like the Pip Collector Forex system, you can also grab this system and start making some real money. I am offering this now at a discounted price for a limited period of time. The link is given below in the description where you can get it, so feel free to check out. Today's date is November 2nd, 2021. Let's quickly look at this USD JPY 30 minutes chart. As I mentioned earlier, only the green buy arrows will appear when the trend line is green. So as you can see here, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 buy signals in the strong uptrend, and similarly you will see only orange sell arrows in a downtrend when the trend line is orange. The beauty of this system is that it gives multiple valid entry signals in a strong uptrend or a downtrend market. If we look at this uptrend, we can enter a trade right here or even here and here. Most of the trading systems out there in the market will only give you a signal at the start of a trend or at the end of a trend change. But the Pip Collector system will produce multiple signals throughout the trend, which gives you the opportunity to catch the trend and collect more pips. This is a very unique feature of this system. Suppose that we enter to a buy trade with this buy signal, we can easily ride this strong uptrend and collect closer to 70 plus pips. Similarly, with this sell signal, we can easily collect 40 plus pips. Remember, one good practice I follow with this system is that once the trade reaches 8 to 10 pips profit, I bring the stop loss level to the break even point. For example, if I take this same buy signal, once it reaches 8 to 10 pips profit somewhere here, then what I'll do is I'll bring my stop loss to the break even point. In this way, you won't lose money if the future price moves in the opposite direction. This is a best practice even you can follow with this system or with any other system, because sometimes traders tend to leave their trades open and suddenly after a few hours time, when they come back and look at the chart, the price has gone in the opposite direction and now the trade is at a loss. So when the trade is at a profit, always follow this simple technique to secure your profits and to avoid any potential loss that can happen due to market volatility. One thing to point out is that most beginner traders want to win every trade that they enter. In Forex trading, it is impossible to win every trade that you take. There will be losses and it is perfectly normal. The winning formula in Forex trading is to minimize your losses and increase your profits. Therefore, you need to collect more winning pips and cut down the losing pips, and that is exactly what the Pip Collector system does. So even though you have a losing trade here with this sell signal, the loss would be only up to your stop loss. But if you open a trade with this buy signal, you can ride this strong uptrend and collect closer to 70 pips only from this single trade. Similarly, if you take this sell signal in this strong downtrend, you can collect more than 40 pips easily only from this trade. With the Pip Collector Forex system, you can collect more profitable pips like I showed you earlier. So even though you have couple of losing signals here and there, that loss is very small compared to the profits that you are making. So that's the secret formula to become a profitable trader. If you want to try this system, I have given the link below in the description so you can check out. You can watch the Pip Collector version 2 backtesting videos for different currency pairs in my YouTube videos.